name's Oksana, also known as the Canadian Biohacker, and what I love to do in these videos is share any tips and products that can help you optimize your mental and physical health performance. So today we're going to be unboxing yet another NeuroTech product. I feel like NeuroTech is just having a huge moment right now, and I think that's amazing, especially in times like this when we're spending so much time in self-isolation. Mental health is becoming that much more important and coming to the foreground. I mean, it all kind of started with apps like Headspace and Calm becoming more and more popular. And so now we're seeing a shift, I think, beyond apps and into devices. And there's just an increased interest among people in how can we improve our cognitive function? How can we improve our memory, our focus, our stress management, our sleep? And so it's really exciting that more devices are coming out on the market that could help with that. So if you've seen my other videos, I've done quite a few NeuroTech device videos so far. So I've mapped my brain using QEEG, and I've posted my full brain map and consult with Dr. Andrew Hill from Peak Brain Institute in LA. So you can check that out if you're curious about what a brain map looks like and what you can kind of glean from that. I'll link that at the end. You may also be interested to check out my unboxing video of Play-Doh Work TDCS device, which stands for transcranial direct current stimulation, which is exactly what it sounds like. This device essentially sends very low level direct electrical currents to specific areas of your brain in order to activate them and enhance their function. So check that out. And then most recently I unboxed the Cognetics Excel Nootropic supplement. So there's been a whole slew of NeuroTech devices and products that I've been getting myself into. Today, as the title suggests, we're going to be unboxing yet another NeuroTech device, which is an AVE CES device. So clinical research so far shows that this device is effective in reducing anxiety, insomnia, reducing cognitive decline, reducing ADD symptoms, reducing depressed mood, and improving seasonal affective disorder. So the fact that there is a device out there that can do all those things and you can use it in the comfort of your own home, I mean, I was pretty excited to try it out. I mean, it sounds pretty great. It was sent to me by MindAlive, so you can see the box right here. I did open the box already, but I promise I didn't look at what's inside because I've been told many times I have the worst poker face. So I want to make sure you're getting like the true first impression from me. In the video, we'll talk about what AVE CES stands for, what this device may be able to do for your brain and how you can use it. And of course, we'll unbox it so you can actually see what it looks like. So this product I'm extra excited about because these devices are actually made in Canada. It's a Canadian company based in Edmonton, Alberta, founded by Dave Seaver, who's been doing research into this technology and designing these types of devices for almost 40 years. These devices have evolved with clinical feedback and patient feedback and lab research, and so I'm excited to try it out. There are a lot of studies behind this to support some of the benefits and claims. So before we unbox this device, let's just quickly review what AVE and CES stands for, just so you know what we're talking about here and what we're dealing with. So AVE stands for audio visual entrainment. So just like what it sounds like, using visual signals and sounds to affect your brain states. And CES stands for cranial electrostimulation. So there is a little bit of an electrical current involved here, but the idea is that you can use CES and AVE together for an enhanced benefit or enhanced effects, but you can also use them separately and you're still going to be getting the benefit of an enhanced cerebral blood flow, so blood flow in your brain. You're also going to be getting a boost in your serotonin, your norepinephrine, and endorphin production. So now that you know a little bit of context about this technology, let's actually open the box and see what's inside. I mean, I've opened the box and I saw this bag in it. That's my Canadian accent coming out, by the way. Anytime I say bag or bag, I don't, what's the right way to say it? I don't know. That's how I say it. So I love that it comes in this little bag for your device. Okay, so let's see if there's anything in this little first pouch here. Okay, so there is. I figured everything would be in the main part, but you know, they really compartmentalized everything here. So there's a couple of things here. So the first piece is what looks like this controller box. You can see that there are all these different buttons on here, volume, headphone jack, made in Canada. I wasn't joking about that. It's true. And there's also this cable cord and battery pack. Moving on to the main compartment now. Let's see what's in there. So packed to the brim here, so there's a lot of stuff in here, I guess. We got I see a booklet. Let's get it out. So this is what the full device looks like. So it's David Delight Pro is what it's called. This is another, I guess, operator's manual with the TrueView Omniscreen multicolor eye set. So they did tell me that they were gonna send me this eye set case as well. So I think you can get the David Delight Pro device with just the headphones. So that's the CES AVE device, but the glasses you can buy separately. The reason for the glasses is that apparently through research, David, the founder, discovered that by using blue-green glasses with the CES AVE device, it can actually help to improve your sleep onset, so you know how fast you're able to fall asleep. It can improve your deep sleep scores and just overall help you stay asleep throughout the night. And as an ex-chronic insomniac, sleep is a big deal. I'm all about my sleep, so anything that helps improve my sleep even further, I'm all for that. So let's go through the rest of this bag and see what else is in here. So the first one is this case right here, MindAlive across it. So I'm guessing these are the glasses. Let's see what they look like. So they do come with a cord as well. Everything is connected to something with with this device. So these are the glasses. I'm gonna unpack them too so you can kind of see how they come. These look like ski goggles. They're pretty cool. Like I wonder if I can wear these outside. But they do, I wonder if I'm supposed to take this off. No, I think this, I guess this kind of stays in. I'm gonna need to read the instructions later, clearly. But I'm gonna try these on just for you guys. I can't see anything right now, but I hope I look cool. Reading this little booklet here, there are actually 7 colors that you can select from for your different sessions. So there's white, blue, cyan, green, yellow, red, and magenta, and different colors can elicit different moods and different states of well-being. So it's recommended that you can kind of try them all out and see which one works better for you, or depending on which effects you kind of want to get out of the device, you can select a color for that session. So with the glasses, where did they go? I just had them. Here we go. So with the glasses, there's a little cable jack here. So you take one of the cords and you plug it in. Just like watch me break these. So got these plugged in. And let's see what else is in here. Yep, this must be the headphones. What? Struggles. So they come with a little wire, just like regular headphones, really. You just kind of plop them on like this. Got the headphones down. All right, so what else? What is this little box? More wires, I think. Yes, no? Okay, this looks like a charging cable for one of the devices. Again, I need to read the instructions to figure it out. That is it for unboxing what's in this bag. Again, I think it's awesome that I get this little bag to store the whole device in for later use. Wires don't get lost and tangled and things like that. Things get out of place. This is gonna help me stay organized with this. So just to go back to the operator's manual, there's a lot of information in here to make sure that you know how to use the device. Just like any new device, it's gonna take you once or twice or maybe a few times to like figure out how to use it until it becomes quite intuitive. I remember when I switched from an Android to an iPhone and I was like, all right, well, all my shortcuts and all my folders are gone. Like, I'm lost. Like, eventually then it just becomes second nature, but really it's pretty intuitive. I mean, you have this box here that you plug your headset into and your glasses if you want to get those too, and you go from there. So you see the full table of contents here, and then so this is cool. There are 6 different sessions that you can do with this device. You can see here. There's an energize session, meditate, brain booster, sleep, on feeling better, and user designed. So this is a pretty versatile device overall. You can use it for different things, especially if you're getting this device for a household, you know, with different people using it. Someone could be having trouble with sleep and someone else maybe want to use this device to help with stress management or just cognitive enhancement, whatever your use case is. So pretty versatile, it's pretty cool. You know, you're getting different uses out of just one device. So there is 6 different sessions you can do with this device, but if you look further, there are actually 5 sub-sessions within each of the 6 sessions that you can do. So depending on how much time you have and which exact benefit you want to get from this device, you can kind of choose which session you want to go for. And I think that's pretty amazing that it gets so pinpointed on exactly what it is that you want to work on within your brain. So for example, under Energize, there are sessions to achieve relaxed attention, to give a more energizing and intense feeling, session for improving mental flexibility. So if your mind seems to be like kind of stuck on something and you want it to get unstuck, there's a session for that. There's also a roller coaster session. This is what it says. This action-packed session is very engaging. Some with ADD can benefit. So I guess if you have trouble kind of like concentrating on focusing on something and need to feel more engaged, then there's a session for that, and it's only 7 minutes long. Brain Booster, some of the sessions here are for enhancing mental focus, mental functioning, and memory. There's one for mental stimulation, improving skill and sports development, so that's pretty cool. And then there's sleep as well, different stages of sleep, whether you need help falling asleep or relaxing, or there's a session that can really help to break up distressing thoughts that can interfere with sleep. Those who have insomnia as well. So there's a lot here. And then the last one is feeling better. So there's a session that can help settle down negative emotions, help reduce anxiety and enhance relaxation. Even a paradise session. So reading here, it's a gentle slide down to theta waves. Extroverts with low anxiety produce high levels of this frequency. I didn't know that. Something new learning. There's a lot you can do with this device, kind of an all-in-one solution from what it seems like. So I'm excited to be trying it out. So I'll just show you how it all looks like when it's put together. So I just slotted the battery pack into the controller piece here. It's not going in. Am I doing it wrong? Probably just don't have the right grip. Oh, yeah, I was supposed to slide it in like this. Got that. Okay, so, and lastly, I plugged in the headphones as well. Oh wait, there's something missing. There we go. I didn't actually plug in the glasses into this jack. So now I got all 3 plugged in here. The glasses plugged in, the headphones, and then lastly, what you'll see clips onto your ears. That's the CES device that's plugged in here. First, I got the headphones on. So this is the sound piece of the device. These are the CES clips. So you're actually supposed to put a little bit of water on your earlobes or just like lick your finger, it doesn't matter, and clip these guys on. So I'm gonna need to split this. Isn't this kind of like the most satisfying part of getting new headphones when you just like get to split the cord, or is just that's just me maybe. So you put these on, I can't see. Just a sec. Should probably take off my earrings when I'm actually using this. Just plug it in here. Okay, so that's set up. And then lastly, you put on the glasses. And this is the whole setup. I can't actually see myself, so I wonder how ridiculous I look right now. So this is the David Delight Pro. You got the AVE, CES, and the multicolor glasses, the full set. I'm ready. And that is it for unboxing the David Delight Pro from MindAlive. Now, if you want to try out a device like this for yourself, MindAlive is offering a 10% discount for you if you use the code Canadian Biohacker. So I'll put the code and the link to the website in the description. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and follow so you don't miss any of the other products that I share out on my channel. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. I'll see you next time, friends. Bye!